Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to adjust the alarm snooze duration on this device. Simply open the clock application on your device. After this one, tap on the alarm section at the bottom tab. Now we need to create an alarm. For this, tap on the plus icon on the top right side. Now you can easily set one alarm. So here I am going to set one alarm for 1:45 a.m. and here you can see at the time of create the alarm, you can see the option snooze duration. Here you can see I set the snooze duration to 9 minutes. So if you tap on this one, you can change the snooze duration. You can change the snooze duration from 1 minute to 15 minutes. You can adjust the snooze duration. Okay, so according to your choice you can select the duration, and after this one you can create the alarm. So simply in this way we can adjust the alarm snooze duration on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.